Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known HTML5 clock face with numbers and showing at a running clock at your HTML5 form. How it is pretty easy. This is the code, a complete information using Canvas. I have given you with the JavaScript. Let's see and add this code and run it. Copy the code and you will find this very much pretty easy solution to your computer system using Google. Yes, this is the canvas it is showing here. Let's see. Now, when you refresh the current date time, you will get it very easy. Refresh the button and you will play with the JavaScript automatically. See how it is going to be. See the canvas ID is shown. Bit height. If you want to change the height and all and the background also, you can change it. And script will be initiated with the calling by this canvas id and the get contest of 2d height by 2 radius and translate the radius and radius into 0.90 draw clock automatically predefined function it is available and the function we have created here for function drawing of the clock is draw face x radius and all you see one by one. All right, you will get like a draw face ctx and radius. You see here one by one how it is designed. Take a copy of these code lines and simply find out in a Google as well, and you will draw very easily by using these simple functions. All right, now see, draw the numbers and draw the face. Different three or more functions are here. Draw the time, date and hours, minutes, gets, seconds, how it is going to be. By getting your system date, it will be shown and showing the display of your HTML5 form. This is the form you will get it. On refresh, it is going to be running. Now see how many functions are here. I'm not going to be encouraging you to learn many of the things. You have ready-madely this code is here. You take a copy and paste in your HTML like functions of JavaScript and run with simply draw hands. And this is the function for draw time. And all the math functions are applied here. And come back to draw the numbers. And come back to here for draw the face. And here draw the clock, how the circle will comes. And about to within the canvas we have used it. That's all. And moreover, you will be get a document if you require. Kindly text me. I'll share with you this all the scripts and all for the canvas for you to function. And moreover, we will see the output here. Just refresh here. When I'm pressing refresh, my time is continuing. All right. That's all about to seeing about the clock, like a clock face. We're making a canvas. We have drawn it using JavaScript help. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.